Hello viewers, if you are planning to buy any tablet, any smartphone, any smartwatch or any other smart gadgets, then I would suggest you to wait for a few days because Big Billion Days sale and Amazon Great Indian Sale are coming. A lot of new smartphones and tablets have been launched by many brands and they are giving cashback offers and launch offers, but you will get more discounts in Big Billion Days sale, and the Big Billion Days sale is going to start in the last week of September 2024. So there are not much time left. So I would suggest you to wait for a few days when you can buy your favorite gadgets at an enticing price, and side by side you can save a lot of money. Because if you buy this time, you will definitely regret. Because whenever there will be a price drop during the offers, you will see and you will feel that you have made a mistake. So it is my humble request to you to wait for a few days when you can buy your favorite gadgets with great exciting offers. I have made many videos on the price of tablets such as MI Pad 6, Oneplus Pad 2, iPad 10th generation, iPad Air M1, iPad Air M2, Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, S9 FE Plus and many other tablets. Recently launched Poco Pad will also be on offer when you can buy these tablets at an enticing price. So if you have no urgency of buying a gadget and you are waiting for the right offers, the right offer will come in the month of September last or October 1st when you can buy many products at discounted price from Amazon and Flipkart. And if you want to buy iPhone 15, in that case I would suggest you to wait because iPhone 16 is launching on September 9, 2024, and after the launch of iPhone 16 series, definitely the price of iPhone 15 will decrease and you will get iPhone 15 at a much cheaper price. So it will be a wise decision to wait for few days and buy whatever product you want to buy. Plus in Android markets, many smartphones are being launched in this month. So stay tuned for that launches also, because you can get more discounts and more offers with good specifications and good hardware experience. And one thing you must remember that whenever the sale will come, you have to be ready with credit cards. Only with credit cards you will get the best discount, but if you have debit card, in that case also you will get about 1000 rupees of cashback. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. And if you want to know about the price of any tablet or smartphone during Big Billion Days sale, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.